Hi, I'm Jessica Woll, author of The Wise Divorce. I'm a family law attorney, and I'm here to give you tips on how to make your divorce experience a wiser one. Today we're going to talk about how to hire the right divorce attorney, because there's a lot of variety out there. So what's an easy first thought? Should I hire someone that advertises on billboards or park benches, things like that? The answer is a hard no. That is not how you pick a family law attorney to represent you in a divorce. What you need to do is hire someone that specializes in family law and divorce. That means they don't take criminal cases, they don't do personal injury, no slip and fall here, just family law. So you want someone that's exclusively what they do. Now, should you go with the first choice? No. You should interview at least 3 people and feel them out and see what they have to say to determine who's going to be the best fit for you, because you are investing in your future with this person that you choose to represent you in your divorce. So again, I go with the 3 people rule. So I interview 3 people, I see what they have to say, and I'm going to pick the one that seems knowledgeable, but has the right balance with knowledge, empathy, and a good fit, because you're sharing personal details about your life with this attorney that you're investing your future in. So you want to make sure that you're comfortable telling them the good, the bad, and the ugly, and that you're not feeling, like that this person is anything but in your corner. So you want someone who will fight for you when necessary, but can also compromise when compromise is what should be done. Now, some people ask, what about cost? Should I go with perhaps the cheapest option? Well, I am a firm believer that you get what you pay for. I can't tell you how many cases have come to me after they've hired a budget family law attorney and realized that they've made a mistake and their case is now messed up and they need it fixed. They come here for someone like me to fix it, and they're going to pay for it, but they're going to get good value, because family law is all I do. Divorce is the main bread and butter of what I do. And I assure you that when you come to my office, from the time you sit down until you leave, you're going to feel a lot better walking out the door than you did walking in. And that's the goal with who you choose for the right divorce attorney for your situation. You want to feel some sense of relief, because it's very scary. I mean, even making that appointment the first time and walking into my office takes courage. You are taking the first steps in making a major life change for, like I said, the rest of your life. So again, choose wisely. So one thing I also want you to be cognizant of is that every divorce case is different. Your case is unique. Every family law attorney that you interview should recognize that fact when you're in for that interview with them. No, you can hear horror stories about your Aunt Susie or your friend Mike and what happened to them. If you hear these horror stories, understand that's not your life and your reality. You can make your divorce a better experience. So from those horror stories, keep it in mind that you're not going to have that kind of divorce. And do not be worried that your case is going to mirror somebody else's who does share horror stories with you. And if you're worried about these horror stories that you've heard, talk to that attorney that you finally decide to go with about it. He or she should make you feel better. Because remember, you're also going to pick someone who shares your values. If they don't share your values, you're not going to make the best decisions with regard to what's best for your children, say, or the person's not going to look out for the next chapters we've been talking about of your life with regard to your property division. So we want them to treat you almost like family. Like I'd say, when someone trusts me with their divorce, I'm going to treat them like a family member. And that's always going to be a guiding principle for me. And I'm going to treat the fact that they hired me as sacred. And I understand that they are putting their utmost trust in me. So make sure that that's the kind of attorney that you hire too. I hope these tips on The Wise Divorce helped you out today. I'll be back with more tips soon on The Wise Divorce. See you soon.